to put your hand in like that and then cover the double chin.
I don't have a double chin.
Well, I do.
Good morning.
Guten Morgen.
It's March the 16th, the sun is shining and we are off to the Lake District.
I am not cold. I'm going to remove my woolly hat for the first time in 7 months.
It actually feels to have some warmth in the day. So we're going to the Lake District. We lived in Cumbria for 15 years and really stayed away from the touristy spots.
And people in general.
But we're now going to the most touristy spot of all, which is...
I don't know.
Lake Windermere.
Windermere.
Not going on campsites, but we, as you know, we only like to do official motorhome stops. So we'll see how we get on.
So we're going to try and go to the most popular touristy bit in the lakes on a sunny Saturday, probably the first sunny Saturday in ages, and not spend more than, I don't know, 15 or 20 quid on a park up for night, rather than going to a campsite, which would cost us thick end of 40 quid. The old Top Gun shades, because some people have said I do have a striking similarity to Maverick. Next stop will be LPG.
Well, there's an entrance over there. I think you've got to go down there. Oh, maybe we should have come all the way around.
I'm just sitting by my new occasional table, drinking a brew, answering fan mail YouTube letters, all saying how brilliant I am. So this is probably the first dry, reasonably sunny day in the Lake District on a weekend for a long time. And now it's proper chocker. We got here just at the right time, I feel.
We are in a car park.
Where else?
In Bowness in Windermere, which is
On Windermere.
on Windermere.
We're here on Windermere.
Not in Windermere, although the amount of rain that's outside our van at the moment, it's like we're in Windermere.
When we parked up last night, very much just a car park, so it's not pretty, but it weren't so bad. But it rained probably 12 hours solid. So this morning, the van is surrounded by water, proper duck weather.
It's not literally surrounded by water, because that is an exaggeration, but we do have ducks. Lake Windermere is the largest lake in England, and we are on the east side of the lake, and we're going to be doing an exploration around the lake and to see where we can park.
We spent today looking around the little village. It's very touristy.
Town.
Village?
Town. It's a town. Pax.
We spent yesterday and today having a look around Bowness, which is a small town, very touristy. It was quite busy yesterday or Saturday, weren't it? It was, as we expected actually. Quieter today.
The town itself is quite cute really. There's lots of little shops. It's very Beatrix pottery. So if you like your Peter Rabbit, this is the place to come. And loads of bars. It looks like it'd be a really good night out actually.
Very dog friendly. So most, not all, but most places, not just pubs and cafes, but most of the other shops as well, you could go in with your dog. So that's been good. So far it's been really good. How much a night are we on?
Well, on this car park, it costs £11 to park from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. and the sign's up to say that you can do that, and you use the app. During the day you also have to pay as well, and for the full day it's another £8.80. So altogether it's cost us £19.80 to stay.
For a night, that's a lot just to sit in a car park with no facilities. It is a lot, isn't it?
But if you're just going for overnight, you'd just pay £11, which is really reasonable. You know, if you'd spent the day somewhere else in the lakes and knew that you were coming here at 8 o'clock.
But for 24 hours, it's a lot, I feel. However, what are the alternatives?
So there are two other options for staying here. One is over there on Glebe Road, and at the moment that's free parking and you can stop overnight. Normally it'd have a 2-hour restriction, but you've got to be there early to get a space. You can see it's already filled up now. The other is just the other side of that fence, and that's the camping and caravan club sign. But that is so expensive. Couldn't even get on this week, but if we could, and I've checked for next year, the same time period, £47 a night, and you have to stay for 3 nights. So this is a really cheap alternative.
So this has been a good choice for us, and it's let us come to Bowness.
So whilst 20 quid is a lot to be on a car park, I guess compared to being on the site,
it's good value
if you want to be in a hotspot tourist spot. But last night we had a very, very quiet night, really good night's sleep, so it's been all right.
So Monday morning, and there was just 4 of us here last night. It's just before 11 o'clock, and we had to pay an extra 3 hours so we didn't get out of bed at 8 o'clock this morning. So here are some top tips for making the most out of your stay. We didn't know this. Daytime parking for 3 or 7 days means that you can go to 32 other car parks in Westmoreland and Furness. Now only one other does overnight stops, and that's up here at Rayrig near Windermere. The other tip is to pay for overnight parking. This code here on Pay by Phone is only for daytime parking, and it took us a while to find the little sign which is over here for the nighttime parking, because it does have a separate code. Another really quiet night last night.
Other than the snoring.
From you.
But a very interesting thing happened yesterday. We were YouTube recognised for the first time ever.
And thank you very much to Amanda, who took the time to speak to us, because it was lovely to meet you.
It was really good.
And quite amazing, really.
Yeah, but it was really good because we had a right old good chat with Amanda, and we got the story of how she got a van and where they were going, etc, etc, and only I think shared hobbies and things like that, and lifestyles, if you will, like vanning, camper vanning, motorhoming, whatever, probably gives people that opportunity to do that. So it was brilliant, and another step on my way to being YouTube famous and YouTube gazillionaire.
So we're off now to Ambleside, to what I think is going to be more like a proper aire.
It's weird that I miss you so much. You're still in the room.
They go through this gate. I've got the code already.
You make something new. Don't play with me, play with me, play with me, cause you know that I sweat my nerve. Just stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, cause I don't wanna feel the burn. You're cool like diamonds, new eyes, new eyes, new eyes shining. In my tank, little rocket fuel. I just wanna be cool like you. Cool like diamonds, new eyes, new eyes, new eyes shining. Chasing you like the sun and moon. I just wanna be cool like you.
What time we got? Oh, sorry. Oh.
I'm wearing my Sunday blues, and the sky's looking gray. But you see in colors not most people do. Most people do, so you lead the way. Yeah, don't.
I don't think we are going that way. There's another path around here, just back where we came.
Stay with me, stay with me.
Bud, come back. We're not going this way at all. Oh, Bud. We're not going there. Now totally thwarted. So finally, after 4 different attempts to get here, we've made it to the fort.
And it was well worth it.
I think it's amazing. I think it's been here that long.
Well, there's no left.
There's a lot left. Anyway, it's history, so it's interesting.
Well, Kith.
So that's the commanding officer's house. This is the headquarters, which included where the money was kept. And over there, the 2 long, thin buildings are the granary buildings.
You can't have enough pastry, and that is how I maintain my Tom Cruise-like physique, like the scene of beach volleyball.
Let's go!
Sorry to interrupt the broadcast. I just wanted to say a massive thank you for subscribing.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Thank you for liking.
Thank you.
And thank you for all the comments.
Thank you.
We've loved the comments, the banter, the take it mickey out of me. For some reason it seems to be me. I must apologise if the last video set off your Google speaker, so I promise I will never say "Hey Google" again, because I know that would be annoying. "Hey Google" will frustrate you all in your living rooms, and I won't say it again. "Hey Google."
And thank you for supporting.
Thanks for watching.
Rainbows come out to see you, love.
We've got everything. It's like sun's out, it's actually warm, it's raining. It's typical Lake District weather. Well, we spent last night here at Ambleside, and I've got to say, it's a cracking park-up. Services are easy to get, so there's Elson, fresh water. You've got to put your grey in the Elson, but not a problem. 20 quid a night.
So the longer you stay, the cheaper it is. So at 4 nights, that's £15 a night. And I have seen somebody stay 10 days for, I think it was 140.
I'm not speaking because I've been told to shut up.
That's because you were chatting when I was trying to film.
Nice and quiet. It's 5-10 minutes max walk into town. So brilliant park up.
And where are we going now?
I don't know where we're going now. Newtown.
Hawkshead.
Oh, are we?
Yeah, we're going to Hawkshead.
Hawkshead.
On the way to Newby Bridge.
On the way to Newby Bridge.
Narrow roads.
Not my idea.
So we're now just outside Hawkshead. Going for a little potter in the fields. Our legs are a bit achy, aren't they?
It must be well over 30 years since we were last here. And
all we can remember is that there was a decent ice cream shop.
yeah.
A beer, I seem to remember having a pint.
Well, probably.
Or you, not me.
Yeah.
So we've left Ambleside this morning, just doing a little run down to Hawkshead on our way to Newby Bridge, which is where we're spending the night. It's a nice little village, the prettiest village in the Lake District, apparently.
They all say that.
It is cute, but some of the buildings could do with a bit of a
They look a
touch-up.
bit grubby, some of them, don't
Yeah,
they? Like road grime and stuff, so it's probably not looking at its best in winter, but as I remember it, decades ago, it was a really, really smart place.
I've got you a trip leaflet.
Yeah, I won't be doing that.
Don't know why. Oh, you're gutted.
Gutted.
But it's about education, love, you know how you love that. Gosh, it's an old building.
Why are you buying something?
Yeah, of course so. It's chocolate.
Thought we're dieting.
Well, diet tomorrow. Well, I think this is my favourite park up.
You're expecting me to disagree with you?
No, I'm not.
It is a very good park up so far. We haven't slept here yet, but I don't see any reason why it wouldn't be. Tell everybody why you think it's your favourite.
Well, it's got an aquarium.
You're going to regret asking, or I'm going to regret asking this.
It's got an aquarium.
That we can't go in with dog.
A cafe.
That we can't go in with dog.
But they do have nice hot dogs, and we sat outside.
And it's a very nice hot dog.
But there is
we can't go on with dog.
No, we can go on with the dog. We're too tight to pay for it. There's a train which starts next week, but it's a steam train. So if you're into all of that, it's an amazing little park up for £10 overnight.
£10? It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can walk along sort of the beginning bit of...
Why are you pointing? No one can see where you're pointing at.
You can walk along the beginning bit.
You can walk over there.
Of Lake Windermere along this really nice path. So yes, it's been my favourite one.
It's spot on.
Of this trip.
Yeah, it is good. You tell sun's come out for first time ever, it seems. I'm not wearing gloves.
Oh yeah, brilliant. So as always, we hope you've enjoyed watching our little trip.
Hope that you find it useful, that you'll benefit from it, because as long as people do, we keep making the videos. We make them for ourselves, but there's a little benefit if other people can get something from them. So thank you very much.
And catch us next time. We don't know where we're going yet, but it will no doubt be somewhere amazing.
It'll be somewhere well, Kif.
Like diamonds, no ice shining in my tank.